Today for the Bitcoin price. Guys, Bitcoin is actually breaking right now. And I was actually talking about this upcoming breakout just like 40 minutes ago. I posted it on Twitter. And right now the question is this breakout going to continue, or are we going to be caught up here in a dangerous fake out? I want to be talking about what we are looking out for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Guys, this is certainly a very important one. Watch it until the very end. I was literally at a workout and I interrupted my workout to go home and make this video for you. So give me this feedback. The previous video I made solo got 19,000 likes here, nearly 20,000 likes already. If I continuously get here this support, this feedback and increasing views, I know I should do more videos, and I know I should even keep you updated multiple times per day. So give me this feedback right now, and I want to be talking about my trades. Of course, the trade I want to put. So what I am looking out for Bitcoin here right now in the immediate short term. So this is the hourly candles for Bitcoin right now. And just very quickly, guys, let me quickly go over here. Remember, if you follow me over on Twitter, I posted this 44 minutes ago. The Bitcoin break is actually imminent right now. And with imminent, this was imminent. Just like 10 minutes later, we broke out. If you actually subscribe to my MMCrypto channel at MMCrypto, you was updated here. And I was talking about both scenarios. Since this symmetrical triangle is a continuation pattern in a downtrend, it should break more often towards the downside. I told you though, and I don't do that always. However, if we close above the resistance and confirm, this could turn into a reversal, but be very cautious. And as you can see here, the breakout target would be slightly below the $60,000 level, slightly below the $59,000 level, as quoted and called actually over on this specific account. So let me quickly go over here into the charts and see whether this breakout is legitimate or not. Here you can see the breakout target actually of this specific breakout. It would bring us all the way up. Let me show that all the way up here to $59,200 if this were successful. What do we need for this? We need a 1 hourly candle close outside. This is going, I mean, the close is in 18 minutes. When I'm uploading it, it already closed. But then we don't only need this. We need a break below, a confirmation of the previous resistance, which is then turning into support, a volume supported bounce, and a break above the previous rejection point. If we are getting that, I would be opening a strong long position and close it all the way below the $59,200 level. Let's look at the volume, because we also need volume support, and you can see some volume is coming in. We have 20 minutes left on that volume candle. Usually I want to see this volume candle breaking all the previous volume candles, so we need a little bit more volume coming in. This is why I am saying be a little bit cautious here. So far we are in breakout mode, and so far we are not getting the fake out here, but the moment of truth will be when we are going down and retesting this breakout here as a confirmation for Bitcoin. If this turns out into a fake out, and once again, I'm not saying this is going to turn out into a fake out, but since we have here bearish divergences on the weekly, I just want to say let's be a little bit cautious. And we only went down 14%. Sometimes Bitcoin goes down 20%, 31%, even within that bull market, even within that year. If this turns out to be a fake out, we need the same volume, the same confirmation signs for the breakdown, and the price target would be exactly $52,000 levels. If you are subscribed to the MMCrypto channel, you know what the $52,000 level is. Let me zoom out a little bit. You know already, but let me show it to you regardless here. The $52,000 level is, if I am pulling out the Fibonacci retracement level, once again, I'm not saying this is going to happen. The bullish scenario is in place as long as we are not getting the fake out, but it would be an actually pretty much perfect alignment. I didn't draw it perfectly here with the 50% Fibonacci retracement level all the way at $52,300, which would be my bearish price target in case we are breaking down. But if we are doing that, honestly, guys, I think the golden pocket is going to happen, the $50,000 psychological support. But so far, so good, guys. So far, Bitcoin is still in that upwards trajectory. So far, it still looks like we can get this breakout here towards the upside. And you know my price target already above the $52,000 level for Bitcoin here. So what should we do right now? Should we open a trade? And let me quickly go back here. I'm visiting my parents, and this is an old propaganda book here from my school time. She dropped out of college later on. Just finished my economic studies. Anyway, this is off topic. Let's talk about what I am personally doing with my trades here actually right now for Bitcoin. So let's go over here into the chart. And I want to include that actually so far it doesn't look all too bad here. So my trade's actually open. This is my trade over on Phemex. $2.2 million in a profit on the top left corner. You can see it. It is still open. And people are asking me, Chris, are you crazy? Why are your trades still open? Well, the reason is very easy. This is my Bybit trade right now at approximately 600, even a little bit more than $600, $1,000 in a profit. And Usually, many people are trading these short-term trades. I like to go in and then scale higher as we go higher. Recently, I just put in another 1.4 million on my Phoenix trade and another 1 million on my Bybit trade. I am scaling higher once we are getting good entry positions. And now you see why. These trades are still open and we are generating profits here. There is a new trade for you, but these trades here on the hourly are short-term trades. You have to take profits over there. Please keep that in mind. If you also want to be trading on Bybit and Phoenix as I am doing that, I have a $700 bonus down below in the pinned comment. If you just scroll down to the pinned comment, you will get $700 after making your account. Takes 20 seconds or so after your initial deposit. You get $700 for free. And the nice thing is, you can trade with that free bonus and with the profits from this free bonus as well. And also, when there are future promotions, our link will always get the highest bonus here. You can actually find, so use the links down below as long as you can, as long as this promotion is actually going on, $700 for free. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This was a quick update. This was an important one on the hourly candles. This breakout should be actually documented. This is why you're subscribed to the MMCrypto channel. And if you're not, well, we are the most lovely community in the world. Just go down to the comment section and check that out. We are the most supportive one, but most importantly, we are the most profitable community in the world. Thank you so much for joining us. Scroll down, press the subscription button, press the bell, and press on all to join the most profitable community in the world. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.